Hi, welcome to XYZ Review. In this review, we're going to talk about Spider Profit. Is Spider Profit worthwhile? Is it going to make any money? I'm pretty skeptical of a lot of these binary options trading platform software, automated products, and there's a lot of them that are being issued out there. I want to say that binary options is not a scam. I have a lot of friends that are involved in binary options. I've played the markets myself, and it's a type of area where there's a lot of gray stuff going on. You got to really know and understand what the markets are all really about before you really get involved with it. If you really want to make some money, you want to maybe practice with a demo account or something along that lines. Maybe talk to your banker would be a good start too. Get associated with a broker through your bank, because they want your money. They want you as a customer, and that's a pretty good starting point right there. I want to say this that I'm an internet marketer, and if you're interested, I have some alternatives to making money online if that's what your interest is. There's actually a link below this video, realxyzbiz.com. It's my link for my the business that I'm involved with. And like I say, I train people to market online, and anybody can do it. We got moms with stay-at-home moms that are doing it and making a lot of money with it. So it's a really a good deal. Anyway, with Spider Profit, we'll want to go over to this site here first. It's clicksure.com. Now, this is a site where it's an affiliate site, and what they do is they actually launch a lot of these products out there that are on the internet today, as far as binary options trading. And they have a calendar, and on that calendar it gives the release dates and such. According to their calendar here, Spider Profit is actually being released today, today's date is July 9th. And it's being released on today's date, so it's fairly new site. So there's not a lot of information out there about them. Okay, clicksure.com. It's a site where people can go to and actually become an affiliate and promote these products. They get paid an affiliate fee through a broker that's associated with that product, or whatever business or company that's associated or affiliated with that company. So my first question would be, well, how do they actually get paid if they're offering this software for free, which is what most of these products are doing. They offer this trading software, like Spider Profit gives you the software for free, on the condition that you actually deposit money into an account with a broker that they're associated with, or their product is associated with. Now, in reality, they don't come out in front and tell you this, but that broker is actually associated to that software for a reason, so that he can make some money off of you. So that's basically how it is, and that's how they pay their associates or the affiliates that have signed up to promote their product. Excuse me. So every time you deposit money in there, they take a percentage of that. And how can they do that if you're going to take in that money and actually have total control of it? Well, the case is not so. You usually don't have that total control. When you do deposit money into these brokerage accounts, you end up bound to a certain policy. So and those policies, you'll want to read them, the fine print about them. They're a little different. There's some minor changes in some of them, but most of these policies with these binary option trading softwares are the same. And you want to read into those. Sometimes they'll offer you a bonus, and if you take the bonus, then you have to trade up, say, many trades and win a majority of those trades to even make a withdrawal on your money. And I've had instances where people will invest money into one of these brokerage accounts, and it actually does win money over the next few days after the initial deposit, and then that gets the hook sinks the hook a little deeper into an individual. They start to trade a little higher. Next thing you know, they start losing their money, and it's a common thing that happens with it. I'm not aware of anybody that's actually made $1 million on this type of a product. So you want to think about that, okay? You might be able to make a modest income on it. I certainly don't think it's gonna change your life for the better. Anyway, also it's a good idea to go over to the U.S. Security Exchange Commission, read their site. They've got a lot of updates there on the binary options trading and the fraud that's going on out there, as well as the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Sorry. Read their postings and their advisories, because all their information is constantly updated. They have very strict regulations in the United States when it's concerning these types of software programs, and they're going to give you the heads up on it. So, and one of the big things that I've come to understand is a lot of these binary options trading software platforms, the brokers that are associated with them, 80% of them are not even regulated and they're not even licensed. So they're not really bound to anything. So it's that's a pretty big flag in my book. Okay, now I went over to scamadvisor.com. I entered Spider Profit into there, and they're a very, very new site, so there really isn't a lot of information. It did come up that the site is very new and it could be risky. It's kind of red flag. It says the site's based in the United States. There is no other location posted. It's just United States, which is actually a good sign. For the majority of them, they usually have different locations, and they actually have a majority of it. They don't even know where they actually exist. So that's a good one in my book. It's saying, well, okay, if they're located in the United States, that's good. At least they've got an actual location that can be verified. That's from what I'm getting from this anyway. But then again, their site is only 37 days old. So this is going to change over time, this information. The longer the site's out there and the more people that are involved with it, then there's going to get some feedback, and eventually this will change. Their popularity is around 49%, which is that's normal. It's 50-50. They're saying they're not sure about them. Basically, that's all they're saying. They've had very few visitors at this point because it is a new site. So you can't really go by this posting at Scam Advisor right now, but it is a good site to actually check upon if you're considering getting involved with Spider Profits down in the future. Now, I'm going to go over to here. Now, this is the actual site that promotes the Spider Profit software trading app, and basically they're telling you that that your life is going to change with this product. You're going to make $30,000 a week on it. There's testimonials in there, video testimonials. This gentleman here in particular is just testifying that he's making all kinds of money with Spider Profit, and his life has changed with it. And lo and behold, and this is something else I found common, I went over to Fiverr.com, and this is where they hire actors for $5 to do a testimonial. Now, being it's a relatively new site, I can understand that they're going to hire somebody or something. They have no real proof that their product's actually making money. People, I'm telling you right now, I've done hundreds and hundreds of these reviews. I've been looked at many of these products, and there's so many of them out there that are using fake testimonials, and there is no real proof that their product is going to make you money. On the average, they say that it'll pay out 80-90% of the time, and it's just an outright lie, because I've from my experience and what I've come to know about it, they're lying to you straight out with these fake testimonials. They're telling you these people are saying they're making this money, and they're not. They're just actors. And can you really trust a company that's going to turn on just straight out lie to you and tell you that you're making money? You're going to make money. If you've got some valid grounds to base your proof on, some real people that are actually really making money, I want to see it. Come on, let's see that. Provide that kind of a proof. Anyway, there's some information about Spider Profits. I want to say, if you click my link down below, like I say, I have a business opportunity that you can get hooked into if you want to make some honest money on a legitimate business. And we train you, and I will walk you right through it. I would be with you throughout the whole ordeal if you sign up. And it's a type of business that you get the products, you get the business, you get an office for your computer, and there's a special group that you get involved with. You join my group. We have a Facebook group, private group. It's invite only, and everybody in that group helps each other. And it's a type of deal where you invest. You can do it part time until you feel comfortable that you can leave your regular job with it. It's that type of thing. It just builds an income, and it's your own business. So, if you're serious about changing your life, it's a great opportunity. I'd urge you to check it out. Just you can watch my video by clicking that link below this video. It's realxyzbiz.com, and yeah, I hope to see you sometime. And at any time you can reach me. Just look for me. I'm always on Facebook, and if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to connect with you, even on Skype or whatever. So yeah, I hope that this review was helpful and that you got something out of it. And yeah, we'll see you soon.